I don't hear nothing.
Woo!
Woo! Get on board.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome, Daniel.
Activate.
Oh my goodness, we got activations. Tangham and John in the house.
Stop.
ReCap, March 23rd, 2023.
Seems like we keep doing the same thing.
What is going on now, John?
Same thing. Same
Back and
thing.
forth, back and forth. Good thing we got the ranges that we got.
Yes. Let's go to the charts real quick. Let's get it started. Let's start off with our favorite. Let's start off with the yearly. Again, the yearly. We talked about it last night. The possibilities of what it could be doing. We
Don't need
discussed.
the yearly, but go ahead.
We discussed this big candle down here. Big candle at 74. 74 was the key.
I ain't got
74.
no chart yet. I don't see nothing.
Oh, dang. I'm not sharing anything. Am I? Not sharing anything, Dawes. That's it. We're not sharing anything. All right, let's start with the daily. This is
Share
our
too much or you
candle for
don't share
today.
enough.
March 23rd. As we started the day off, we started at, well, not really at the lows. We really didn't go to the lows. We had the possibility coming to the lows. We were at this range right here and holding 74. And look what we ended up doing at the end of the day, Dobbs, which is kind of funny. It's kind of funny right here. I want everybody to see it. This is the monthly halfback right here. Actually, it's a monthly low. It's previous month halfback actually. But actually, that's previous halfback. No, that's actually the low. This is the low of previous month. So before this started, it's this low right here. So we went lower low into this month, and now we're going back and touching that and holding that previous low. So what we end up doing, we end up sweeping to the bottom side and then coming back up, almost hitting halfback all the way on the way up with that Fed meeting or interest rate decision. Then we came back today into the close and bounced from that halfback or low, actually a monthly low. All right, so we're between these two ranges as it goes. Coming into Asia, you saw nothing but buying. Why? Because I felt like,
well, they were covering, taking profit.
Yes, this big drop happened in 30 minutes. 30 minutes it happened. So the sense of this dropping didn't make any sense. It made nobody money.
So if you look at Asia the day before, they were already in it on the sell side.
Over here, selling. But nobody made money on this. Or they were already selling. And what ended up happening? They ended up covering. So they're covering this sell. Why? To get back to price and
look
sell.
Further left. Look further left.
How far left you want me to go, Don? It's about 2 weeks now.
Okay. Just want to get a good view here.
So right here, sold into this run up that they did for this Fed decision.
Just think about it though. They don't want everybody in it on the sell.
No, they don't.
They want everybody in it on the buy, but they don't want everybody in it on the sell.
And there's the problem. When it comes down here, everybody's selling. So what are they doing? They're already sold. They're covering. So when they're covering, they're actually buying to go back and get the same price so they could sell on everybody that's buying. They see the big move up, squeeze, come back down. We had our levels here. We had decision why it was a buy.
Low, high, halfback.
Yep. It's sold down, came back to this halfback. I said, once it hits this halfback, we're going to 98 into the open. It not only went to 98, it burst through it and broke through the range. It broke through the range, went all the way to 40, and I put the chart up of what it was going to hit.
Same thing it does every day.
We literally swept the open range of London's open, high, low, all the way 200 points up, 200% up, 200% down. and failed halfback. So if you look at it, we should have held here, should have held there. So if you take a high
Yep, should have
low,
held right there.
should have been holding there. If you take the
Yep,
range, we should have held
didn't
right.
hold. Said, let's fold them.
Look
Go
at
to
the
the house.
time. Look at
Pack
the
it up. Let's go to the house.
1300. Look at the time. At that time, if you set up correctly, you saw we felt halfback and we went 200% to the downside. Never in this time frame on the backside of this, once we hit the high here and swept this high, never did it say buy. There is no buy here. Let's look at the 2 hour, which is very important. 2 hour. Look at it again. Boom. What am I looking at? 2 minutes. Wow. 2 hour. What did we do? We swept the high. Remember, this sold off. It's a big candle, but this sold off in 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. And look, came up, swept the highs, came down. Look, this candle looks fishy. We should have held here. We did not hold here. Came back down, but look what we're doing into the close. Look where we bounced off of. Something interesting is going on. Now, we just play the range for what it's doing, but we're at halfback. Can we possibly come up here, sweep, or hit this? This is key going into tomorrow right here, or we're going to fail this halfback, and then we're going to come down to that high and break this high. So, A, we failed that halfback. We failed this high right here, and it's lights out.
But what do we got tomorrow?
401ks, they're going to put that money in there. So if tomorrow we have a move up here and we're already at London's halfback, London's closed halfback, we're already there of the range from today. So if we get above there, we gap above, you better believe that this price might be the price that we're going to.
We're already gapping.
And going into a Friday, we could possibly get a squeeze. They're going to try to squeeze this.
Already got the gap in after hours.
We could make a move all the way up to those highs, possibly take out this high. And that'll be very dangerous. But more likely, we have the scenario thinking that we might come down to the lows and we have targets on the low side. Just be cautious of what it's doing. Play the ranges for where it is. We do have targets to the downside.
But what we got? Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low.
They keep buying the lows. So in this scenario, look where we're at. We're above a lot of things right now. We're above that price. The 74, 73 area, we're above it. We're not below it. Remember, if we get below it, we're going to get a big dive down here to this level, first to this level, and then down more. And then I don't think that halfback's going to hold. I think we come down to these lows. It doesn't look good on a yearly. Doesn't look good. Well, it didn't look good just a minute ago, but they started buying it. So the possibility going up there and them getting that price up there is very, very important. That they could possibly go up to this halfback up here. And that's the 11 o'clock candle. That's supposed to London's close. We have 1430 at the lows.
So this level is very important. We hold this level.
Yes.
We get above it, we're going.
Going back up here somewhere. And if we get above this candle right here in this area, forget it. This thing's going to take off like a rocket.
Oh, we're going for 5 to 10 points. That's what we're going for.
Yeah. So our range is set already. You can see our range. What they're doing is already, we're near halfback already. So there go the range for today. Actually, I'm a little bit, we're probably already above halfback. We're at halfback, rejecting it. It was kind of interesting. We're at halfback. Can we go above it? Possibly. This price is very important. Where is that right now? Very important. Remember, we're below London's close. We're below London's open. Can this be a continuation to the downside? Yes, it can. There's no need for London to buy this right here. We're still inside this big box range that they kept buying up, but we're below this range right here, which held today. So we're at that price. So if we start failing here and we fail this low and we're below 74, 73, we're going to go back to 200. We ain't hit the 200 yet. We did hit a monthly half low and bounce, but this 200 almost got close to it at the end. Can we possibly reject here? London starts selling and we get down to 200, take another bounce. Take a bounce, then reject that high. Once we reject that high, maybe we go for a roll on a Friday. It could be a big sell-off, but we still have the possibility of coming up here. So it all depends on London's halfback. Dobbs, I'm out of here. I am done. That's it. Set up, set up. We'll guide you along the day with the chat, but if you set up, you will see the plays. You good, Dobbs? You got something else?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Knowing where price is headed is our edge over at Stingham Trading. We know how the market moves. Risk and disclosures, y'all know what we got to do. Can't win them all, can you? Or can you? Can you win them all or can you? The risk of loss in trading securities, options, futures, forex, and commodities can be substantial and are not suitable for all investors. You must consider all relevant risk factors, including your own personal financial situation before trading. Do not trade money you cannot afford to lose. That's why I recommend we use prop firms. I don't care which one, just pick one. You assume the risk of any and all financial investments you make because we do not tell you where to get in or exit. We show you how to read the chart correctly. And that's what we do at Stingham Trading. So let's go. Let's sting them.
Cause so many time passed by. Don't know why I'm losing my mind. Ego was so strong inside. At this point I just live the life.
Go to the other side.
I wish I could tell you why. I wish I could feel you again, but I know it's too late and I know you're away. There's a chance to apologize. No. It's a goodbye, just a goodbye. Forever and ever, you'll never come back. Just a goodbye, forever goodbye.
She ain't coming back.
I sit in my ride, think about you. Drive through the night, I got nothing to lose. Strobe city lights, they can tell me the truth. Tell me what I should do, I got nothing to lose. I got nothing to lose, thinking about you. Drive through the night, I got nothing to lose. Strobe city lights, they can tell me the truth. Tell me what I should do, I got nothing to lose. I sit in my ride. So many time passed by. I saw you last time. This is my last ride. I wish we're gonna see us on the other side.